My name is Megan Osterloh, and this is my slide design project. I chose the company Sony as for my ad, and I used their PlayStation 4. This advertisement was during the launch of their PS4, and it gives off a feeling of anticipation within the words and the graphics, and I'll go into more detail in just a moment. Now, with the original ad, we have the design of the globe. So we can see here that the globe, it is right dead center. It is the focus of everything. It gives you can see that the sun is just about to rise over the earth. And what that adds is it gives that feeling of anticipation that something is coming. I mean, along with the words as well. But even if I believe that your eyes are drawn to right there, right where the light is coming from. Now, with the typography, you have 3 fonts in here. So you've got decorative from the PS4 logo. Now, I like that they use decorative here because they're showing that the PS4 is the future. It gives that futuristic feel. There are no pointed edges. Everything is rounded off. Even the 4, which almost looks like it's pointed, is not quite pointed. Then you have we've got sans serif, which is greatness awaits, as well as actually the make-believe under the Sony. But what really stands out is obviously greatness awaits. It's right in the center, which is a bit safe, but in this case, because it's with the graphic right there, it really stands out. It again shows that something is about to happen. And then you have slab serif within the actual company logo, and not just the company slogan under the logo. So that, because it's all in caps, it's like bright white, and it's in slab serif, it really stands out. It's showing this is the logo, but it's not getting in the way of the tagline, which is why it's down there. Now the colors are actually black, blue, and white. I'm sorry, I forgot to put white on there, but they're actually black, blue, and white. So you've got the black and the blue, which kind of work together. You can see black and blue in the background here. You've got black and blue within the globe. They really go together. You've got a little bit of light blue, which gives some contrast. You've got the white in the words. So the white in the words makes them contrast with all the darkness that's around. Even the logos down here are in the black areas versus up here in more of a lighter, the black and the blue segments, just to fill in the spaces a little bit. But these contrasting colors, especially the black and the blue on top of the white, it actually, again, gives more of a mysterious feel that something's coming, something's going to happen. Now, in my ad, I did some very similar things. So with my design, I decided to use the actual PS4 instead of just a globe. I wanted that to be more of the focus. So I took the PS4, and rather than just showing the whole picture or the whole console, I put it in the middle, just like how the globe was in the middle, and only put it in like halfway. So that way, we still have that feeling of anticipation that it's coming, but it's not quite here yet. And so that's kind of what I wanted to give off there. We still have the globe in the picture, but the globe is no longer the focus anymore. It is the PS4. Now with the typography, I kept the logos here, so we still have the logos in the same spots. They're a little bit smaller, just to kind of get them out of the way a little bit. And then the Greatness Awaits, I made a little bit bigger. I still kept that, and it's not the exact same font, but I did keep it within that sans serif font for it. I put the tagline in the middle, which still stands out, but I feel like, and it's still kind of safe, but again, it stands out. I feel like the logos should be in the same position because they fit well right there, and sense of graphics in the middle. I just felt like it's better that they stayed right there. Now, we've got some color here. The colors are still the same. We've got black, we've got blue, we've got white. Now, there's a little more black and white than blue. You can see a little bit of blue within the globe here, but the main blue that stands out here is right here in the controller. And I feel like it's just like, gives us this kind of ambiance, because these colors didn't exist on previous consoles before. And so that's something I wanted to highlight on there, is to show that there's some color there. And since it was something that was also consistent with the last ad, it kind of helped. Now, the white still contrasts with the black and the blue. I feel like even more so, since there's not as much, since the blue is a lot darker in the globe right here. And that is basically my project here. So I thought my slide designs were consistent with color and design and placement and typography, and those are my examples of that.